Welcome everybody. If you are filling the form of CUET 2023 and if you belong to EWS category, then you can get 10% reservation if you belong to EWS category. So how to get that reservation and what are the process of certification and all those things. So I will be explaining all those things in this video. So watch this video till end. See, this is the page. You can see that chapter 4 of the official notification PDF. Okay, so here you can get the criteria that how you will avail the EWS reservation. You can see that clause 4.1.1 for candidates claiming to the general EWS category. Here clearly it is mentioned that you will have to provide the EWS certificate in the Annexure 1A. Okay, so in the Annexure 1A, and it should be issued after 1st April 2022. And if you are not having that certificate, then you can also upload that Annexure 1B. I have uploaded those annexures format and its link is given in the description box, so you can download it. Now how to fill all those things and how to get the certificate and how you will get the reservation, everything I will be explaining in detail. So watch this video till end. So see, firstly I am just showing you the format that yes, this is the one page format of EWS which you have to provide at the time of form filling and also at the time of counseling, means getting admission. So at the time of form filling, if you don't have this certificate, in case of that you can upload this certificate and it's written that declaration by the candidate in lieu of the general EWS certificate. You can see here it is Annexure 1B is written. So you will have to get the printout of this page and fill all these things by your hand. You will have to scan it and then you will have to upload it while form filling. So that is what is the process. You can fill the form by EWS category, so that only you by that way only you can get the 10% reservation. How this how you have to fill all these things, I had made a separate video about it, so you can also get that video link in the description box of this video. Moreover, I am concentrating on this, that how you will get that reservation, because finally at the time of counseling you will have to provide this one certificate only. Okay, so listen all these things carefully, and if you are not able to understand, then go back, reverse the video and listen it again. So this is the one page PDF, one page format, and I am just showing you one sample because it will be very helpful to you understand that how the actual certificate looks like. Different states have different type of officials, so few names might change, don't get confused from those things. This is the format. See, here you might be from different states, so the government will be different for students residing in different states. For example, if you are in Uttar Pradesh, then here it will be Uttar Pradesh. If you are in Gujarat, then Gujarat. If you are from Kerala, then it will be Kerala. Okay, then here it is the name and address of the authority issuing the certificate. From whatever office you are getting it issued, example, you might be getting certificate from the revenue officer or tehsil or naib tehsildar or maltukdar, so maltadar, so it will vary, so don't get confused. Here below that it's certificate number, date, valid year, and here it is financial year. So all these things you have to make sure that are filled in order and nothing wrong in it. Then at the bottom you can see that here it is the space for passport size photograph, then signature of the officials. You can see it that it's it is of a candidate. Here the candidates belongs to Bihar, so government of Bihar is written, and the office from it was issued is circle office. So in your certificate also something very similar to it will be written. Then certificate number and date. These two things are very important. If these two things are lacking in your certificate, then your certificate is a fake and it will not be accepted at the time of counseling. So make sure that all these things are clearly mentioned, otherwise you will lose the seat. Now see one more thing, valid year and financial year. Here two means years are written, means in the valid year it is written 2022 to 2023, and in the financial year it is written 2021 to 2022. So there must be gap of at least 1 year. Okay, at least what, at most means gap of 1 year only. There is the gap of 1 year, means in valid year it is 2022 to 2023, and in financial year 2021 to 2022. If you will get certificate after the month of March, means in the month of April, then valid year will be 2023 to 2024, and financial year will be 2022 to 2023. If you get certificate after 1st April 2023, then valid year will be this, okay, and financial year will be this. So make sure that all these things are correctly mentioned in your certificate. After that, you can see at the bottom here the self-attested photograph is there, barcode scanner, and since this certificate was made online, and here it is written digitally signed by Sudhanshu Sekhar. So in your certificate, if it is manual signed, no problem, it's 100% acceptable. Or if your certificate is digitally signed, then no problem, then also no problem, your certificate is 100% acceptable. So all these things will be mentioned as. Instead, if you are having any query, then definitely you can comment in the comment box. So I had made few points which I thought that I will be discussing. So introduction I have given, crucial date. Yes, see, the 1st April 2022 is the crucial date, means after that your certificate should be issued. Few extra information I had given, I had shown you the format, and I had also given the link to download the format. How to get that certificate? See, you will have to apply either online or offline in your nearby block. Okay, different states have different offices names. So block, tehsil or taluk, as such names you can ask to your nearby advocate. They will be also helping you in getting the certificate. Or you can also search on Google that EWS in your respective state. For suppose that if you belong to Maharashtra, then you can type in the Google that EWS certificate in Maharashtra. Then you can get the few videos in YouTube also, or in Google also, that how you can get that full procedure. You might get few information from there also. So you can apply online or offline, and then you can get the certificate. And if you will be not having a valid certificate, then your candidature may get cancelled, and you may lose the seat. So don't take risk. So these are the few things which I wanted to discuss. And if you are not having this certificate right now, then you can also fill the declaration. Okay, this is the declaration, and I had made a separate video that how to fill the declaration, and I had given the format, a PDF of all the formats. So you can also download that format PDF. And instead, if you are having any query, you can comment in the comment box. You can see here that there are 881 total tests for CUET, and if I go by the subject wise, then you can see that here for political science it is 47 total tests, for CUET chemistry it is 38 tests, for Sanskrit you can see also here it is 58 tests, for business studies 33 tests, for history 56 tests, and English, mass media communication, sociology, mathematics, biology, so physics, geography, computer science. So all the subjects are having enough number of test series, and if you are willing to prepare, so you can definitely prepare from this, and you will be having very good chances of selection by attempting these mock tests. So a detailed video I had made about this, so you can watch this video and get the subscription for the full-fledged preparation, and which will be helpful for your scoring good marks in CUET exam.